A cup of coffee in the morning, which gives you energy, contains a substance called caffeine. Before you discover the secret that makes caffeine raise your blood pressure, support the content creator by liking, sharing, commenting, and following. Inside your brain, there is a substance called adenosine. It accumulates throughout the day and tells your body that you are tired and want to sleep. The caffeine part looks like the adenosine part exactly. It occupies your future, blocks it, and prevents you from working. The brain is deceived. It thinks you are not tired, so it pumps dopamine, which gives you happiness and fertility, and adrenaline, which explodes your energy. This adrenaline makes your heart beat faster and stronger. Your heartbeat increases from 60 to 100 per minute. Adrenaline also makes the arteries narrow and narrow, so blood passes through a narrower passage and the pressure increases. Caffeine also makes the kidneys keep sodium and water, so the blood volume increases and the pressure rises. This effect is temporary. It lasts from 3 to 6 hours. Then caffeine breaks down and the pressure decreases. Over time, your brain increases the number of futures. Do you need more caffeine? If you suddenly stop drinking coffee, adenosine will flood the brain and cause a concussion. Your kidneys play a role. Some people break down caffeine slowly. The safe amount is 400 milligrams per day. About for kidneys. If you have pressure, try caffeine-free coffee. Caffeine is a two-edged sword. Enjoy your cup but wisely. If you liked the video, support us with a like and share.